Google Cloud Platform versus DigitalOcean, two major cloud contenders, but which one really delivers? On the left, Google Cloud Platform, the global, scalable cloud powerhouse by Google. And on the right, DigitalOcean, the simple cloud loved by developers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Quick roadmap, here what we're gonna look at. Pricing and cost transparency, performance and uptime, features and ecosystem, usability and developer experience, security and compliance, global reach and scaling, and finally, support and community. I'll walk through each category so you'll have everything you need to make a solid call. Let's kick off with pricing and cost transparency. And honestly, if you're on a budget, this one hits different. Google Cloud Platform tries hard with all their flexible billing models and those extensive enterprise discounts. You can go pay as you go or even snag some reserved or sustained use deals. But here's the catch, their pricing is complicated. If you're a beginner, just estimating your monthly bill is like decoding a puzzle. Sometimes you might even run into surprise costs if you're not hypervigilant. Now, DigitalOcean is the total opposite. They've nailed simple, flat-rate pricing. You know exactly what you pay every month. There are almost zero hidden fees. That said, it's not perfect. Enterprise-level discounts are kinda rare, and if you need hyperscaler-style elasticity, you're a bit limited. Still, for most devs, transparent costs are a win. So yeah, if you want clear, predictable billing, DigitalOcean is definitely the winner here. Moving on, performance and uptime. Google Cloud flexes with a global network, giving you seriously low latency pretty much anywhere, and it's legit superior for anything heavy, AI, big analytics, machine learning, you name it. The catch, setting it up just right can be a challenge unless you know your stuff. Then there's DigitalOcean, solid uptime too, 99.99%, not too shabby, and it shines for small to medium jobs. Deployments are quick, scaling is super smooth for typical use cases. But if you plan to run like hardcore enterprise workloads, performance isn't quite on Google's level. Still, for most folks, it's plenty. But for the really demanding stuff, Google Cloud takes this category. Alright, let's talk features and ecosystem. This is where Google Cloud kinda flexes its muscles. Over 100 products cover everything. Compute, AI, machine learning with stuff like Vertex AI and TensorFlow, data analytics like BigQuery, there's managed Kubernetes, smart databases, IoT, API tools, the list just goes on and on. The only it's so massive you'll feel overwhelmed scrolling through it all. DigitalOcean now is way more focused. You get managed databases, Kubernetes, a cool marketplace, the app platform, and even their new Gradient AI agentic cloud. The tools are super dev-friendly, streamlined, like it actually makes life easier. But their feature set is kinda slim compared to Google, especially for advanced AI or deep analytics needs. So it's no contest, feature-wise, Google Cloud comes out on top. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know DigitalOcean actually started as a simple cloud for devs just for spinning up a server in seconds? Fast forward, they now offer managed AI and Kubernetes solutions while Google Cloud. That platform quietly powers massive global businesses, handling some of the world's biggest workloads behind the scenes. Now, usability and developer experience super important if you wanna actually enjoy launching apps. Google Cloud, it's powerful, no doubt. You've got enterprise-level DevOps, tons of APIs and integrations. But onboarding can be rough, not gonna lie. There's a learning curve that'll make you wish for a magic shortcut. DigitalOcean, on the flip side, is a breath of fresh air. The dashboard is clean, you launch apps in one click, and the developer community is crazy active. That said, you don't get the same level of nitty-gritty customization as with Google Cloud. But for most devs, honestly, the ease of use here just wins, so DigitalOcean grabs this round. Let's get serious for a sec, security and compliance. Google Cloud is stacked. You get advanced security controls, granular IAM, a security command center, and even DLP for your data. Pretty much every major compliance box is ticked, think HIPAA, GDPR, ISO, but for smaller teams, all those tools might feel like overkill. DigitalOcean handles the basics, encryption, firewalls, even DDoS protection. But when it comes to strict compliance, especially for industries that need more serious certifications, it doesn't match Google Cloud. So Google Cloud nabs this category, no question. On to global reach and scaling. Google Cloud basically lets you go worldwide in a snap, dozens of regions and zones, massive scaling, and it's perfect if your goal is to serve users all around the planet. Downsides: you do need to plan and configure a bit more as you scale up. DigitalOcean's good here too, with plenty of global data centers and simple scaling if your growth is steady and predictable. But let's be honest, it's not as vast or dynamic as Google's setup. So if going global is your plan, Google Cloud is the clear winner. Finally, let's talk support and community. Google Cloud offers premier enterprise support if you're willing to pay for it. Their documentation is super detailed, but yeah, premium support plans can get pricey. DigitalOcean's support is strong and the community is buzzing with tutorials and real help. 24/7 support is available, though you'll need a better plan for phone support. Honestly, both are solid, and if support or community is your deciding factor, they tie in this round. If you picture all these categories on a radar chart, you'll see DigitalOcean totally owns pricing, ease, and user experience, while Google Cloud's out ahead for performance, features, security, and global scaling. Support? Well, it's neck and neck. So my take: for startups, indie devs, or anyone who wants simplicity and no nasty billing surprises, DigitalOcean's just unbeatable. But if you're running enterprise workloads and need that world-class scaling, advanced AI tools, and lockdown compliance, Google Cloud Platform is the way to go. Choose based on your needs and you'll rarely go wrong. If this gave you clarity, drop us a note. And hey, stick around for more expert cloud platform breakdowns. You never know which platform will impress you next.